What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Links FX YouTube channel once again. And if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing, turn on post notification and like this video. Okay, so in today's video we are actually going to be analyzing this particular pair that you are seeing on the screen right now, which is GBP/JPY. And as you can see, we are on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, as a day trader, I actually start my analysis from the 4-hour time frame down to the 15-minute time frame where I find my entry. Okay, so let's head straight into the video. Okay, so looking at the recent price action right here, we see that the market came down from what was moving in a downtrend, and then what do we see here? We see an inverse head and shoulder formation over here. So we have the left shoulder over here, we have the head over here, and we have the right shoulder. And then what are we seeing? The market started moving in an uptrend. Okay, so right now what are we seeing? We see that the market created a high, a high here, created a low, created a high, created a low. And then what are we now seeing? We see that the market price actually broke this low over here and then came back to create a low. So what are we seeing? We are seeing that the market is coming back here. We are anticipating a creation of a higher low, a lower high over here. Okay, we are anticipating a lower high creation over here. Okay, so that's what we are anticipating. So if before I start drawing anything on my charts as a day trader, I actually want to understand the direction of the market before I draw anything on the line. Okay, so now that we know the direction of the market, or we know what to anticipate when the market starts moving, let's start drawing our lines on the chart. Okay, so we have here a very strong key area over here. Okay, if you can see properly, we have a key area over here, a very strong key area. And then we see that the market actually broke below this level and then it's coming back to retest it. That's what we are seeing right now. Okay, and if we can also see something right here, we see that the market was moving on this trend line. Okay, if I can draw this correctly, we see that the market actually broke this trend line and it is here to test the trend line again. Okay, it has broken the trend line and it is here to test the trend line. So what do we see? You see, in order for you to trade as a professional trader, or in order for you to be very consistent in your trading, you need to actually have confluences before you execute any trade. Okay, so right now what do we see? We see that the market is coming back to test this key level over here. Okay, let me show it to you guys. So we see that the market is coming back to test this key level over here, and it is also testing this trend line over here. So what do we see? What are we going to wait for? We will now wait for a rejection at this level over here. We wait for a price rejection and a momentum shift to the downside. That's when we are going to be executing our trade. Okay, so let's move to the 1-hour time frame. So what do we see over here? We see that the market is playing out nicely. So let me zoom out for you guys to see the chart properly. So we see that the market is testing this level over here, and then looking at this chart on the 1-hour time frame, we see, what do we see? If you guys can critically look at this chart, we see that the market actually created something in the form of a head and shoulders. So the market created head and shoulders, and that it has broken the neckline. Okay, so we see that the market has broken the neckline, which is actually this level, and it is coming back to test the neckline of the particular chart pattern, which is the head and shoulders. Okay, so what do we wait for? We wait for a price rejection. We wait for a rejection and then a momentum shift. Then we can now execute our trade. Okay, so this is how I analyze the market as a day trader. And if you really want to be successful or very profitable in this market, you need to consider looking at the market in this form. So this is our anticipation, or this is the direction we'll be taking right from here. So the only thing you have to do is to be patient. We have to be patient and then time the market and then take the trade at the proper time. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, and then like the video. Okay, peace out.